Welcome to episode 96 of your CYSA Plus Prepcast. In this session, we will examine maintenance windows and update timing, two critical components of an effective cybersecurity program. Proper scheduling of updates and security maintenance ensures that vulnerabilities are remediated without compromising system stability or disrupting business operations. Understanding how to plan, execute, and optimize maintenance activities plays a key role in minimizing downtime, ensuring data integrity, and maintaining organizational trust. These practices not only form the backbone of any secure IT operation, but also align directly with the concepts you'll encounter on the CYSA Plus certification exam. Let's begin with a foundational definition. A maintenance window is a predefined, scheduled period during which IT systems may undergo updates, patches, reboots, configuration changes, and other administrative procedures that require planned downtime or performance impact. These windows are established to allow system changes in a controlled and predictable manner, reducing the likelihood of unexpected disruptions. Analysts rely on maintenance windows to introduce changes safely, ensuring that systems are updated without compromising service availability or security posture. These intervals are a practical tool for balancing operational uptime with the need for continual improvement and risk mitigation. Maintenance windows are essential because they allow cybersecurity and IT teams to remediate vulnerabilities, apply configuration updates, and upgrade systems in a coordinated and minimally disruptive fashion. By centralizing these activities into defined periods, organizations avoid ad hoc updates that can cause fragmentation, errors, or oversight. Regularly scheduled windows help maintain a rhythm of maintenance, establish user expectations, and reduce resistance from stakeholders who depend on system availability. These windows create predictability, which in turn facilitates testing, communication, and recovery planning. Organizations typically schedule maintenance windows during off-peak hours when system utilization is lowest. This may include nights, weekends, or designated holidays when fewer users rely on critical services. Analysts must coordinate closely with business stakeholders to determine optimal times for each environment, as scheduling can vary depending on business function, geographic location, or system dependency. For example, systems supporting customer transactions may require a different maintenance schedule than internal collaboration platforms. The goal is to apply security and stability updates without interfering with essential operations. Maintenance windows play a direct role in vulnerability remediation. When a high-severity vulnerability is discovered, applying a patch may require system reboots, service downtime, or reconfiguration. Having a maintenance window already scheduled enables security teams to act quickly without needing to justify or negotiate disruption each time an update is necessary. This agility ensures that critical patches are applied promptly, reducing the time systems remain exposed to known threats. Analysts also use this window to perform firmware updates, driver upgrades, and software reinstallation when needed to correct issues or harden security controls. One of the key advantages of maintenance windows is the ability to manage update risk in a structured and consistent manner. Changes to production environments can introduce unexpected consequences, especially in complex systems. During scheduled maintenance, teams can follow a checklist of update procedures, perform tests, verify dependencies, and execute rollback steps if necessary. This reduces the chance of operational failure and ensures updates are applied in a measured, validated way. Maintenance windows are not only about timing, but also about control, ensuring every step of the update process is planned and monitored. Coordination is a cornerstone of maintenance window effectiveness. Analysts must work closely with system administrators, IT managers, network engineers, application owners, compliance teams, and business leaders to align goals and responsibilities. Prior to the window, clear communication must be distributed to all affected parties, including the nature of changes, expected duration, potential impacts, and points of contact. This reduces confusion, improves readiness, and allows stakeholders to prepare for short service, interruptions, or changes in functionality. Transparent planning builds trust and reduces resistance to necessary maintenance activities. Automation tools are frequently leveraged to enhance the effectiveness of maintenance windows. Analysts use patch management platforms, software distribution systems, and configuration management tools to apply updates across multiple systems simultaneously. Automation reduces the risk of human error, enforces consistency, and accelerates the deployment process. In larger environments, automation is essential for keeping pace with vulnerability disclosures and vendor patch cycles. Systems such as WSUS, CCM, Ansible, and Puppet are commonly used to manage and report on the progress of update rollouts within scheduled maintenance intervals. Another benefit of maintenance windows is their alignment with system backup and recovery procedures. Before deploying updates, analysts often create system snapshots, full backups, or database exports. These artifacts provide a fallback point in case the update introduces system instability or data corruption. Recovery plans are rehearsed and documented in advance to ensure that in the event of a failure, affected systems can be restored with minimal downtime. Scheduled maintenance ensures that all components, patching, backups, validation, and rollback, are coordinated and executed as part of a cohesive plan. Documentation is a vital aspect of the maintenance window lifecycle. Analysts maintain records of all planned activities, including the scope of updates, affected systems, personnel responsibilities, testing outcomes, rollback plans, and post-maintenance observations. These records provide accountability, support compliance audits, and inform future maintenance planning. Documenting lessons learned also allows organizations to refine their approach over time, improving the effectiveness of future updates and reducing the frequency and impact of post-maintenance issues. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are more security courses on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. Maintenance windows provide the structure needed to prioritize critical updates effectively. Analysts assess incoming patches and configuration changes based on severity, exploitability, and system importance, ensuring the most urgent updates are deployed during the next scheduled maintenance period. Vulnerabilities with confirmed public exploits or active attack campaigns receive the highest priority. Analysts also account for regulatory timelines, ensuring updates required by compliance frameworks are implemented within mandated windows. This structured prioritization ensures that limited maintenance time is allocated to the updates that reduce risk most efficiently. Timing updates around vendor release cycles enhances the efficiency of maintenance planning. Most major software vendors issue updates on a predictable schedule, such as Microsoft's Patch Tuesday. Analysts monitor these cycles, assess their relevance, and plan their own maintenance windows accordingly. Doing so allows time for testing, vulnerability analysis, and validation, ensuring that newly issued patches are not rushed into production without adequate review. Aligning with vendor timelines also simplifies stakeholder communication, as users come to expect scheduled changes and updates at consistent intervals. Secure configuration standards guide the patching process to ensure that updates align with predefined baselines. Analysts verify that patched systems retain their required security settings and that no configurations are inadvertently altered during the update process. Baseline configurations, such as those defined by the Center for Internet Security or custom internal standards, consistently across environments. Configuration management tools are used to enforce and reapply baselines if deviations are detected post-management. This reduces the risk of misconfigurations that could negate the benefits of a patch or introduce new vulnerabilities. Clear and timely communication is essential to successful maintenance window execution. Analysts develop detailed communication plans that include pre-maintenance notifications, impact summaries, system status updates, and post-maintenance reports. Communication must be tailored to different audiences. Technical staff require implementation details, while business stakeholders need to understand the functional impact. Predefined templates and communication protocols ensure that all relevant parties receive timely and accurate information, reducing confusion and ensuring alignment throughout the process. Thorough patch testing is indispensable. Before deploying updates during a maintenance window, analysts conduct testing in controlled, non-production environments. This step helps identify application incompatibilities, performance degradation, or unexpected behavior. Analysts simulate real-world usage scenarios to validate that the patch will not negatively affect operations. This also allows teams to plan for system reboots, driver updates, or software dependencies. By resolving issues in the test environment, organizations avoid costly disruptions in production systems. Effective rollback procedures are a necessary safeguard during any update operation. Even with rigorous testing, unexpected complications may arise when patches interact with production workloads. Analysts prepare rollback plans that include recovery point identification, snapshot restoration, and configuration reversion. These procedures are documented and rehearsed prior to the maintenance window to ensure quick execution if needed. The presence of a well-defined rollback strategy not only limits downtime, but also instills confidence in the update process among stakeholders. Continuous monitoring following updates is critical for verifying stability and detecting new issues. Analysts monitor system logs, performance metrics, and vulnerability scan results to ensure the update did not introduce instability or leave residual weaknesses. Monitoring tools are configured to generate alerts if critical services fail to restart, if new vulnerabilities are detected, or if unexpected behavior occurs. This real-time visibility allows for immediate action, minimizing the time between issue emergence and resolution. Post-maintenance reviews enable teams to refine and improve future maintenance strategies. Analysts hold lessons learned sessions to evaluate what went well and what could have been improved. These sessions cover communication effectiveness, testing adequacy, update success rates, and unanticipated issues. Outcomes are documented and fed back into future planning, improving workflows, timelines, and tool usage. Iterative learning ensures that each maintenance cycle becomes more efficient and less prone to error. Training and ongoing education ensure that analysts and IT personnel remain proficient in maintenance planning, update testing, rollback execution, and stakeholder coordination. Regular workshops, cross-training, and tabletop exercises help develop shared understanding and team readiness. Analysts must also stay informed about new patch management tools, scripting capabilities, and automation frameworks to maintain relevance and maximize efficiency. This continuous learning culture enhances the organization's ability to respond to both routine maintenance and emergency patch scenarios. To conclude episode 96, mastering the concepts of maintenance windows and update timing is essential for maintaining secure, stable, and resilient information systems. By aligning patch and configuration changes with structured schedules, prioritizing based on risk, validating through testing, and preparing thorough rollback and monitoring procedures, organizations can reduce operational risk while maintaining compliance and minimizing downtime. These practices not only support your CYSA Plus exam readiness, but also position you to lead vulnerability management initiatives that balance security needs with business continuity. Continue applying these insights as you progress on your journey toward cybersecurity expertise. Thanks for listening. To learn more about cybersecurity, please visit baremetalcyber.com. There you will find best-selling books, videos, and even more free cybersecurity training courses. Please subscribe to the Prepcast and our various podcasts. And thanks for listening.